Lesson number 1. Introduction of CapCut. What is CapCut? CapCut is a fun app for making and editing videos. You can add music, text, and cool effects to your clips. It's easy to use and helps you create awesome videos to share with friends and family. Why we use it: edit videos, cut out parts you don't want, join different clips together, and add music, add effects, make your videos look cool with special effects, filters, and stickers, insert text, write words on your videos to tell a story or add fun messages, use transitions, make your video clips change smoothly from one to the next with neat effects. This is the interface of CapCut. Importing. Importing means bringing your videos, photos, and sounds from your computer or phone into CapCut so you can use them in your project. How to import in CapCut. Open CapCut. First, open your project in CapCut. Go to Media Library. On the left side, you'll see a section called Media or Library. This is where your imported files will appear. Import your files. Look for the plus or import button. Click it to open a window where you can choose the files you want to use. Find the videos, photos, or sounds on your computer or phone and select them. Then click Open or Choose. Use your files. Your imported files will now appear in the Media Library. You can drag them from the library to the timeline at the bottom to add them to your video. What is Player in CapCut? The player in CapCut is the screen where you watch your video as you edit it. It's like a little TV that shows you what your video looks like while you're working on it. What is Details in CapCut? Details in CapCut let you see more information about your video clips and edits. When you select a clip or effect, you can find details like how long the clip is, its size, and other settings. This helps you make sure everything looks just right. Features of CapCut Media. This is where you find your video clips and photos that you can use to create your video. Audio. Here you can add music or sounds to your video to make it more fun and interesting. Text. This tool lets you write words on your video. You can add titles, captions, or fun messages. Stickers. You can add cute or funny stickers to your video to make it more colorful and lively. Effects. These are special visual effects that you can use to make your video look cool and exciting. Transition. Transitions are used to smoothly change from one video clip or photo to another, like a fade or slide effect. Filters. Filters change the colors and style of your video, making it look different, like black and white or very bright. Adjustment. This tool lets you change things like brightness, contrast, and colors to make your video look just right. Timeline in CapCut. Timeline in CapCut. The timeline in CapCut is where you put your video clips, photos, music, and other fun stuff in order. It looks like a long row at the bottom of the screen. Here's what you can do with it. Add clips. Drag and drop your videos and photos onto the timeline to build your video. Arrange. Move your clips around to decide what shows up first, second, and so on. Edit, cut, trim, or split your clips to get just the parts you want. Layer. You can add music, text, and effects on top of your video clips. Save and sharing. Exporting in CapCut. Exporting means saving your finished video so you can watch it outside of CapCut and share it with others. How to export in CapCut. Finish editing. Make sure your video is complete and you are happy with all the edits. Find the Export button. Look for a button that says Export or has an arrow pointing out. It's usually at the top right of the screen. Choose Settings. You might see some options like video quality or resolution. Choose the settings you like. Save your video. Click Export or Save and wait for your video to finish saving. It might take a little time. Share. Once it's saved, you can find your video in your device's gallery or files and share it with friends and family.